Two expressions. Say
అంటే అంత
We are reacting to Attarintige Dariji movie.
ఒకటి అరే బాగా ఫినిష్ చేసి చూపించుకో దరిద్రుడా ఎంతో టెన్షన్ తో చచ్చిపోతున్న తర్వాత ఏం చెప్తావా తర్వాత
ఆ అమ్మాయికి మీరంటే ప్రాణం సార్. ఆ అమ్మాయి చూపుతో మిమ్మల్ని తినేస్తారు సార్. మీరు వెళ్ళి ఐ లవ్ యూ చెప్పండి. వెంటనే కమేడియన్ కుక్క పిల్లలు పరిగెత్తుకుంటారు.
So easy.
ఎంత చాలా బాధ్యతలు మాట్లాడారా ముందు పెట్టారా.
first time he is getting.
I really like sir.
మా అత్తయ్య తిట్టిన తిట్లు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పోయిందిరా. బాలు కొంచెం ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ కావాలరా.
ఏం కావాలి బాబు?
ఒకళ్ళు ప్రవీణ్ చూస్తే
టెంప్ట్ అయిపోద్ది,
మాట్లాడితే
మెల్ట్ అయిపోద్ది,
ముట్టుకుంటే
కనెక్ట్ అయిపోద్ది, వెయిట్ అయిపోద్ది.
What a combination that time.
She's trying to do suicide kind.
ఎందుకు చావాలనుకున్నావు? ప్రశ్నలు సమాధానం చెప్తావా?
నేను కోరుకున్నది దక్కునప్పుడు ఎందుకు బతకాలి?
నేను వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా తెలిసిపోయినట్టు. ఎందుకు దొరకదు? నీకు కావాల్సిన ఎదురుగానే ఉంది ప్రవీణ్. అది ఎప్పటికైనా నీదే.
నాది కాదు.
డ్రైవర్ డ్రైవర్ కాదు.
అవును, నువ్వు దుర్మార్గుడివి. నేను ప్రేమించిన వాడిని నాకు కాకుండా చేశావు.
That one.
Yeah.
ప్రేమించినవాడు వాడేవాడు
రోహన్, మాల్లో నువ్వు కొట్టావు కదా.
అది కిడ్నాప్ చేసింది.
కిడ్నాప్ చేస్తే అరుస్తావు కదా.
She was only ran.
ప్రేమించుకుంటున్నాను. ఇవాళ పారిపోయి పెళ్లి చేసుకోవాలనుకున్నా. ఇప్పుడు హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నా. రేపు రాత్రి పెళ్లి.
రాత్రి కదా పెళ్లి, పొద్దున తీసుకొస్తాం.
పెళ్లి వాళ్ళు తీసుకెళ్లరు.
ఎక్కడండి? నీలమణి బెట్స్ రోహిత్.
సిద్ధప్ప నాయుడని వాళ్ళ ఊర్లో పెద్దరాయుడు. ఒకటే కూతురు, ఇద్దరు కొడుకులు. రెండో ఊరు చాలా వైలెంట్.
He is getting a next mission.
చేయి తీసేశారు. అలాంటి ఇంట్లో నుంచి తనకు కాబోయే ఒకటి తేగలదా? ఇప్పుడే వెళ్తావా?
ఇలాంటి షాపు తక్కువ నిలబడడానికి వచ్చి టైం కావాలి. టైం కావాలి. ఈలోపు మీరు తొట్టులో స్నానం చేయండి. డ్రైవ్ చుట్టూ బాగా ఆరబెట్టుకోండి. కానీ రెండింటిని మాత్రం కలపకండి ప్లీజ్. మీ ఇద్దరిని కలిపి కూర్చి బాధ్యత నాది. నాది.
Two expressions. Say
Oh my god, his body language, yo.
what is it?
Nice, actually.
He's coming now.
చూసారా సార్? సిచ్యువేషన్
Yes, give an idea.
సూట్ కేసులు ఓపెన్ చేయండి, హోటల్ కంటిన్యూ చేయండి, ప్లేన్ పార్కింగ్ లో పెట్టండి, నన్ను హాస్పిటల్లో పెట్టండి.
సార్ నేను చిత్తూరు వెళ్ళాలి, వెహికల్ రెడీ చేపిస్తా. నాతో పాటు ఎవరైనా రండి. ధైర్యంగా సార్. తిడితే పట్టాలి కొడితే
చిత్తూరు వెళ్ళాలరా? ఆ డాన్స్ మన కాడ పట్టుకుని బతకాలేశారు. నీకు తెలుసు కదా మన బాగా సెంటిమెంట్. ఆ డ్రైవ్ చేస్తుంటాడు, మనం డైరెక్షన్ చేస్తుంటాం.
ఇది రోహిత్ ఫోటో. వాళ్ళ అడ్రస్ ఇస్తాను.
గొప్పగా లేడు.
ఫోటోగ్రఫర్ బ్యాడ్. జాగ్రత్తగా తీసుకురా.
కనీసం జాగ్రత్తగా వెళ్ళేదాన్ని కూడా అనుకోలేదు. ఏం లేదు.
What she's doing it?
ఓకే
ఖచ్చితంగా వీళ్ళేదో కొట్టేశారు. మమ్మీ
sound. They're not knowing actually. She
would have got hurt actually, right? She's not unconscious.
All together going now.
యాడో టేస్ట్ లేదా టీవీ అంటే టీ షర్ట్ వేసినట్టున్నాడు వెళ్ళి ఆ లవ్ చేస్తా
ఆవిడ ఇంకా బెటర్ సార్ ఈ 2 రోజుల్లోనే ఏ టెర్రరిస్ట్
దాంతో నీకేమైనా తీపిగా వస్తుంది
ఏం సార్ మొన్న నా పర్సు పోయింది నువ్వు ఎవరో తీసావని అడిగింది సార్
చెప్పు తీయలేకపోయావా
అదేంటి అడిగితే నువ్వు నర్సు నాది పర్సు ట్రైనింగ్ బాగుంది కదా అని అడిగితే తప్పాలి సార్
రైట్ రేపు ఎప్పుడు ట్రాక్టర్ పోతే డాక్టర్ అడిగేస్తా
దాంతో ఎందుకు సార్ ఎదురైతే దరిద్రం తగిలితే కత్తి
Where he's going? Come back.
ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి రావాలంటే అంత నీకు దెబ్బలు
For that he has come like that. See?
Oh my god.
Continuous laugh almost.
నాకేం తెలుసు పద్దు గారు
నాకేమైంది
ఏం లేదు మీ అమ్మ నాన్న మన పెళ్లికి ఒప్పుకోలేదు పెసరట్లో కొంచెం ఉల్లిపాయలు ఎక్కువ నువ్వు మా అత్త కూతురు మన 2 ఫ్యామిలీస్కి పడదు అందుకే లేచి వచ్చేసాను నువ్వు నెయ్యి
చెల్లెలు ఎవరు లేరా
She has become like that.
అది ఎవరికో సైడ్ కొడుతుంటే ఇసుక లాగి వచ్చి కొట్టేసింది వీళ్ళకి జీడిపప్పు వేసినట్టు తప్పలేదురా
ఈయనెవరు
డాక్టర్ గారు నీ దెబ్బలు మందులు వస్తుంది డాక్టర్ గారే కదా
మరి స్టెథోస్కోప్ ఏది
టీచర్కి డబ్బులు ఏమని అనేసాను
వీళ్ళు మాత్రం
నువ్వు నాకు బావే కదా
కదా పిలుస్తుంటే నాకు చాలా ఫీలింగ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది పద్దు గారు
బావా మీరు డబ్బులు వాడు కదా ప్రాబ్లం మీ ఇంట్లో ఉండాలి కానీ మా ఇంట్లో ఏంటి
దీనికి గతం తప్పింది కానీ లాజిక్ డబ్బుల
డబ్బులు రూపాయలకి బాగా బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ ఉంటాయి ఒక న్యాచురల్
కానీ నిన్ను చూస్తే అలా లేవు బావా
రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ యూ యాక్చువల్గా మీ తాతగారు ఒక్కరే మన పెళ్లికి ఒప్పుకున్నారు
ఏ మాత్రం తప్పుతాడండి మీకోసం కోట్ల ఆస్తి వదిలించాడు
ఇప్పుడు అవన్నీ ఎందుకు పద్దు గారు
చెప్తారా పని ఉంటుంది కదా
Oh, that's how the connection.
శశి
బావా
తాత ఫోన్లో మాట్లాడతావా నువ్వు కూర్చో సార్ గౌతమ్
ఏరా ఎలా ఉన్నావు
తాతని మనవాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడతావా
అది నాతో మాట్లాడుతుందా
మాట్లాడు
తాతయ్య నేను శశిని
ఎలా ఉన్నావమ్మా
నేను బాగానే ఉన్నాను తాతయ్య కానీ అమ్మ వాళ్ళే ఒప్పుకోలేదు
అంత గమ్మున ఎలా ఒప్పుకుంటారమ్మా జరిగిన విషయం వచ్చిందా
విషయం చిన్న
Topic is different.
తాతయ్య ఇంకా ఎందుకు దాని గురించి ఆలోచించడం
చిన్న పిల్లపైన కరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పావే
బావని పెళ్లి చేసుకోవడం తప్ప
వెళ్ళి
ఏదో తాతయ్య
బాబా మద్దతు సరసమా
నేను మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడా
తాతయ్య గొంతు వినగానే ఏడుపు వచ్చేసింది బాబు
He is doing that honestly.
థ్యాంక్ యూ బావా
అమ్మా
See what he's bringing.
ఏంటిది మీ లవ్ స్టోరీ పార్టే కావచ్చు కానీ ఈ చీర కొత్తది ఈ చీర కట్టుకున్నా
థ్యాంక్ యూ
The scene totally changed, right?
నిన్ను చూడగానే చెట్టు
She never used to wear saree, right?
అదేమిటా
Seriously.
DSP, right?
Ah.
Yeah.
I
DSP
think
only.
he's only the music director, no? So he has come. Nice composition.
Nice. Variety.
Oh, he
Has
has.
given money.
Because he has shown like that, no? That love.
Yeah. She lost her memory, right?
Suddenly got romance almost.
Because this romantic scene was not at all expected.
Ah. He's giving all the expression.
It's flexible actually, right?
Now it's become more jalsa kind of.
Yes, yes.
His body
exactly,
languages.
Yeah. See?
Ah.
He's using the body language so nicely, right? Ali also dancing. Yeah, all are dancing.
These way like Rockstar and Melodies both together.
Yeah. Song with beautiful scenes.
Like a travel song.
Yeah. That is total unexpected.
Mood changed.
Yeah. More importance
Yeah.
has come for Samantha's character. That's it.
I'll stop it here.
Okay, so it is a beautiful scene, like an unexpected twist, like not like very thrilling kind of, but it is very cool kind of twists and unexpected moments. So that's
Yeah.
what I felt it in this movie, because if the movie goes with expected kind of scenes, then it would definitely become very
Very normal, yeah.
very normal. Like we may not be able to enjoy, but the scenes are more entertaining.
Yeah.
And we are also getting that laugh, like in the scenes, especially like his body. Exactly like in the Jalsa movie also, we witnessed actually how he will be playing with his body.
Yeah, body language.
The more of like what to say, some scenes and all he would nail with the body language.
Actually, he can do a solo performance in some scenes, no? So that he has done it.
Again, like the mood of the movie shifted with Samantha's scene.
After interval.
because before all the scenes, we were thinking like, where the Samantha's character is going to connect with his character and how she's going to get the importance and all.
Actually, not because of Samantha. Like his gang itself started that comedy area because after interval, he is in a tough situation that what to do. So there only he has given idea.
Because like he actually, what is his plan to bring her somehow might be convincing, doing like all these things and all. Now the thing is actually she got to know who is he, what is his purpose and everything. So it's almost confirmed that she's not going to come with him. So he has to now have so many other plans, right?
That plan was super because the elder daughter, like he was telling her that she is having a craze on you, like that. So there he was like that. From there, his Jalsa mode started actually.
Yes.
That shy kind of things and all these things, and he was going there, like proposal scene.
Yes.
So there again, he got rejected. But they're full of expression.
We started enjoying this movie like Jalsa.
Yeah.
From second half.
Yeah.
Right.
Because
from that scene.
Because first half is more into like that building the story and like all these things and mass areas, everything is there. But
if I'm not wrong, in Jalsa movie also, like it was almost like it happened like that, right? Starting it was building up, then almost.
I think they're like Prakash Raj entry,
yes. From that scene, actually, like it was more entertaining. Like we were not like stop laughing. We were continuously like laughing. And
here also like the placement of Ali character, why he is there in this movie, that is shown in that next scenes, like and that too his gang also very much comedy timing.
I'm just thinking where they're going to place Brahmanandam Garu, because it's almost like interval happened.
Post interval almost.
And now towards the end is he going to come, or which area is going to come? Really waiting for, because when he would be also coming into the scene, just imagine how the scenes are going to be.
And that Gajini scene also plays nicely there.
Nice, because like she almost lost her memory, right?
And this one was telling that to him, for here to come, you have come like that. That Ali scene also superb actually.
Samantha also done it so nicely.
With a cute expression.
Yeah, because she was like that suited her actually. That her
innocence
and everything. And there actually Samantha's character got relevance in this movie. There's some movies when we would be seeing like we would be having a question, right? Why they have placed in this movie? What is the role for them and all that? But in this movie, actually, like she also has got the exact place, and she's also one of the reason for Wood Shift, right? Because now it has become a romantic vibe.
Romantic comedy now.
Yeah, now the thing is like she's only the person narrating the story, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now where this movie is going to, taking turn or twist, no idea, or how they are going to connect. That is father-daughter connection. So that is the main theme of this movie, right?
Yeah, correct.
Because they have to somehow get reconnected. In the last scene, actually, like some comments were there actually saying that 15 minutes scene reaction and 15 minutes review or analysis. See, one thing, when we would be watching a movie or a scene, we really wanted to enjoy it.
Yeah.
And also what we enjoyed, we also wanted to share with you. And you have an option to skip. You are not liking actually our analysis.
And that to know some other audience and our family friends are there in our channel that they wanted to see our reaction and opinion also. Because when we reacted Arundhati movie, that time like we done it on very fast, and that time also we were
on the same day we reacted the whole movie because without much of our analysis and all. Like it was almost like
one day itself we finished.
Yeah, one day we finished. So there was not much analysis. So in the end of the movie, we gave our analysis or the review of our point of view and everything. So much of comments are saying actually like we are really missing that when you would be telling about the movie and the enjoyment, what you felt while watching. So many people missed. And so that moment we both actually realized that so many people are there actually to watch our point of view too. And that is the thing. We are almost would be placing our review and analysis and all would be in towards the end only. Or once the scene reaction would be completed, then the analysis would be there. So people are having an option to skip that area. So we would be thinking, okay, why actually?
That's what I told. Why the comment? Because after it's the end only. If it is starting means they're like 5 minutes and all that to know. Sometimes we will be talking 5 minutes also. We will be discussing about the previous comments sometimes. Because that also is there, like so many people are commenting and we have to talk about that, then only
because see, you people would have watched this movie n number of
so many times.
But we are watching this movie for the first time, and also like we are watching his second movie. Pawan Kalyan's second movie. So obviously, like we would have lots and lots of informations which is very new for us, and also our excitement would be there. We like to share all those things with you, and that too, see. I'm fully sweating. Like from the beginning of the video, I'm really sweating. See, if we wanted, we can just wind it out just with
after the reaction. We can stop it.
We don't need to even talk this much with this so hot climate and and obviously that here's a Chang's channel also got terminated. We also miss that channel so much, and we are also having. Inside we are really not very happy.
Not that much happy.
Because we lost that channel. That channel we are also having lots and lots of our channels actually really waited for and every day to watch the movie reactions.
We are getting so many comments and messages in Instagram itself that they are missing our reactions, and that too best of best movies we have selected and reacted there actually.
In that. So see, all the situations are there. So if we wanted, we can just watch and just upload the video every day basis. But When we react or when we upload a video, we also wanted, the video has to be not to be put only like just we watch and reacted, that's it.
That's it.
We also want to give our point of
Something.
view. We are also feeling like, it's not just feeling, we also know some people are actually there to watch.
Yeah, people are there. Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
that's the reason. So when I was watching the last video, I saw lots of, because one person would be commenting, there would be a tendency other people also.
Then it will be coming.
Yeah,
like
it
that,
would be like, tendency to comment the same thing, the length is, 15 minutes scene were there actually, but still 15 minutes analysis given, that is our, might be personal
that
interest.
is actually 15-minute scene, last scene. Before scene, there is no analysis in the end. Actually, 2 scenes we will be taking, together.
We didn't give, our point
No,
of
we
view
will be
in the last
taking the
scene.
2 scenes together, right?
Continuously,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
So
it will be a cut in the end, in the first scene. So we will be giving 30-minute scene together. Not 30, it's almost 40 minutes scene
40
actually.
minutes. And also, like, you people would be knowing if we are putting continuously.
Continuously,
There
yeah.
would be copyright
Already
issues.
we have a
Already
problem.
one channel
Yeah.
got copyright issue. It's not because of always with the length, but so much of parameters actually. But sometimes we can save the channel. Sometimes we may not be able to.
Yeah.
There would be lots and lots of situations, and also it is almost like a win-win kind of scene sometime. So hopefully everything would be fine. So we are also waiting because we love that channel a lot. It's the same like Changstock channel,
Yes.
because Changstock is our first channel, and Cheers with Changs is almost our
Third channel.
third channel. But we used to concentrate Telugu movies in both channels
Both
actually.
channels, Cheers and that too, most we'll be concentrating on Cheers only.
Cheers
that time.
only Telugu movies, because in Changstock it was almost like all the languages.
All the languages are.
The reactions we uploaded, but recently we started focusing more Telugu movies, because as we started getting lots and lots of Telugu
Suggestions.
movie suggestions from you all, so that's the reason, like, we when we would be reacting, we also would like to give our point of view. Without that, if we do it, we feel like
Actually,
something is missing.
we feel that something is missing.
Something
actually,
is missing.
after the reaction.
Yeah, so we'll see another video. Really waiting for the exciting
Yes.
scenes, and especially Brahmanandam. That is injury.
And one more thing, we'll be surely soon we'll start in Cheers with Changs 2.0
Yeah,
channel.
Cheers with Changs 2.0. So we thought we'll put the same name, so that some people
Will search
would
that
be
now.
knowing actually the channel name, but they will not be knowing that the channel is not anymore. So they can find it out. So
Easily, yeah.
that is the thought actually we had to put in that name. So please subscribe in that channel also. So slowly we'll start. Not slowly, as soon as possible,
As soon as
start
possible, yeah,
putting
yeah.
actually new video reactions in that channel. So we'll see another video.